Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Fantom drive's VENOMX VENOMX 2230, a 2TB solid-state drive in the compact M.2 2230 form factor. This little drive promises big performance, and we're here to see if it delivers. First off, let's talk about capacity. 2 terabytes in this size is fantastic. It offers ample space for your operating system, games, applications, and all your important files. No more worrying about running out of storage, especially if you're using this in a smaller device where space is at a premium. The VENOMX utilizes the PCI Express NVMe 4.0 x4 interface, which is crucial for achieving those blazing fast speeds. Fantom drives claims read speeds of up to 5,000 megabytes s and write speeds of 2,600 megabytes s. In real-world use, these speeds translate to significantly faster boot times, quicker application loading, and a much more responsive overall computing experience. Transferring large files becomes a breeze, saving you valuable time and boosting your productivity. Security is also a key consideration, and the VENOMX doesn't disappoint. It features 256-bit AES encryption, ensuring that your data remains safe and secure. This is especially important if you're storing sensitive information on your drive. The M.2 2230 form factor is worth highlighting. Its compact size makes it ideal for use in laptops, ultrabooks, and other small form factor devices where space is limited. Despite its small size, the VENOMX doesn't compromise on performance or reliability. Overall, the Fantom drive's VENOMX VENOMX 2230 appears to be a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their storage with a fast, reliable, and high-capacity M.2 2230 SSD. The impressive read and write speeds, coupled with the added security features, make it a compelling option for both personal and professional use. If you need a compact, high-performance SSD, the VENOMX is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.